Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today we're going to have a little build of this cyclonic separator. Now you may have seen one of my previous videos. I'll put a link to that at the top here where you can view the little unboxing and build and review of a DeWalt branded product. This one I bought off Aliexpress for not a lot of money. I think it was about £12 delivered. I then bought a barrel which has a lid for I think about a tenner. And then what my plan was to then build a little trolley, and I still might do that. But I thought I actually do need something in here in the workshop. Despite having this massive CamVac, it's just too bulky and a bit of a pain. And do you know what? I'm not looking forward to emptying that. That's a beast. I'm really not quite sure how I'm going to empty that. Which is, if I have the smaller one, that'll just get emptied much easier and on a regular basis. So that's what we're going to do. The instructions are pretty simple. That's what we're kind of building. Effectively, all of the assembly is me drilling a hole and then screwing this to it. I've gone ahead and found myself a suitable arbor, which took more time than the build, and a hole saw. Oh, where are we? And a hole saw that just fits. So we should have a nice tight seal. It does come with a seal. So yeah, I'm not going to bore you. Oh, I need both hands anyway, but I'm going to go ahead and drill the hole in that, and then we'll do a little assembly. Or it might already be assembled. We'll have to see. Okay, so I mounted it on there. What I ended up doing was just making myself a little wooden sort of bracket there, just to have something to screw into, because this plastic lid is very thin, and so that's just made that a little bit sturdier. But yeah, I'll go ahead and mount it on there, and then we're ready to use it. It's that quick. The unit's all put together now. I cleaned this. Although it's still spitting out dust out of the HEPA filter, which is a shame. This vacuum's been somewhat abused, but I've cleaned the filter and I've put a bag in it, so it should continue to stay clean now. The adapter for this was a bit of a mission. Ultimately, there has been some tape involved. But that's just to keep things together. A little bit of a loose fit, but eventually I found enough adapters to at least union those together. The second part was a bit of luck, but I still had to use a heat gun just to get that last couple a little bit malleable to just slip over, but that has done that. I have a very long hose on there, but here's the thing: the suction on this vacuum is fantastic. It's as strong as you could imagine. Through the apparatus, there's enough in there to really create quite a lot of drag or loss of suction, which is a problem. By the time you get down to the end of that hose, it's negligible. I mean, it is picking things up, but it's not the strong vacuum that you get right at the beginning. I mean, it's a fraction of it, a tenth, if you like. Now, I did find that there is a little filter in there, and it comes with two. This one, which has a hole in the bottom of it, and another one which doesn't, which is for ash, apparently. I shall show you that. That's that one. And that fits inside. Now, once I remove that, we might get twice the suction of what it is, but it's still, it's useless. At this point, it is DeWalt 1, Aliexpress 0. However, because I'm a little bit annoyed with it and that I've come this far, I'm probably going to find another cyclonic separator to swap this one out with, and we can see whether that makes a difference. The next version of that will be very, very simple, which is a lot like the DeWalt one, and I should imagine it'll be that much cheaper as well. So yeah, not a win. I could show you it's got some dust and dirt in there, and there's none in the vacuum, but this particular setup has not worked out yet. So if this is the sort of thing that you find interesting, please do hit the subscribe button, ding the bell, and we'll let you know when the next version of this comes out. I think I've made this a bit of a personal mission now, but there we are.